our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Parker County and northern Hood County until 7:45. A severe thunderstorm is located about 7 miles northeast of Lipan, 15 miles northwest of Granbury, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for southern Parker and northern Hood counties until 7:45. A severe thunderstorm located 7 miles northeast of Lipan, or about 15 miles northwest of Granbury, moving east at 15 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Okay.